Okay, recording. Yep. Time to start on this this bigger one. I think this is it Swanniana crossed with Reguliana or something? And yeah, oh well, seems alright. A bit slimy on the sides there, but then that's probably a cyanophyta. Break it in. I think the rule is just break it all down, I suppose. Yeah, there's a few little tiddly pop things that probably aren't going to make it. We want the bigger ones on. Oh, hang on, wasn't I supposed to be doing something with, yeah, that thing there on the side, which is actually in with our thing, so maybe if we break it down here, maybe actually plant that as a clump. I don't know, get rid of these small little fellas. They probably aren't going to survive. And just deal with this one, put it under the tap. Oh, nice pink fleshy roots, always pink. I always wonder whether there's any relationship between the pinkness and some sort of nitrogen fixation or something. A bit like, you know, the leg hemoglobin in... Oh, snapped off a few there, by the looks of it. Well, they might become buds anyway, so... Yeah, the leg hemoglobin in leguminous plants sort of thing. Red does seem to be a colour associated with some form of nitrogen fixation. So that's why I'm really interested to see if we can see some red roots on some carnivorous plants. You know, red roots with red root hairs sort of thing. So yes. It's just picking the right one though that's actually going to be able to do it, because you know there'll probably be some CPs that don't do it. There may actually be some species within a genus that do it than others that don't. So that looks like it might be a liverwort leaf, so might put that to one side. Might be harbouring a little bit of biological activity in there, bit of nostoc or something. But yeah, time to get the old scissors out and give a, oh no, maybe I'll just pull that one off. Give a bit of a spruce up. Well, I think that's about it for this one, fellas. I think just maybe cut that one off there, give it a bit of a trim, light shave. I think we're almost done. There's just the odd little bits in here that could rot and cause problems. And another, just a bit of a ginger up under the tap with a bit of higher water pressure. And I think that's about it, fellas. I think we're done with that one. And we'll see what we got there. Oh, I've got a few plants in there. Got a few of these little tiddly pop ones I want to take out because I don't know, they can almost go in the bin, can't they? Sacrilege, sacrilege. Well, you know what I mean. If they haven't bloody well grown by now. Oh, this one looks like it's all on one rhizome. Yep, by the sounds of it, yep, and by the looks of it, it was all on one rhizome. Oh well, we've got two on one rhizome, on the end of the tip of one rhizome. Now that should make some good growth. So we might end up with having two, that broken one in one pot, making a few plants. Hopefully, if they survive, and we get some more. But there's a lot of stuff I've got to trim back from this thing that could rot if I don't pull it off. And we become quite aggressive with it and really get into it, sort of thing. And of course Gideon's probably going to say, oh, I like these videos, can you make more of these videos? And I say, well, I've had more Sarracenia, yes I could, but you know, I'm down to the bare bones of a, as I said, I gave up my collection years ago to work on lines like Capensis, Spinata, Dionea, Cephalodis. You know, I'd get in the odd things like Darlingtonia or Helianthus or something and have a quick go with those, see what the limits were and things like that. But you know, apart from that, I've got the bare bones or a relic of a collection, and maybe a little tiny seed bank that probably is beyond its expiry date. But you know, I do try, but I just need help from other people. I mean, I've done the work other people probably haven't bothered to do, or couldn't do, or didn't have the knowledge to be able to do. You know, as I said, some people I've seen went round in circles about 3-5 years and then just gave up, whereas I kept going, and even then I had a second go, and all I got was some knowledge that helped me get through right a couple of years later after that. I didn't actually break through at the time, so they're a bit cleaned up. And we work on this one. I always think these roots should be nice, gorgeous red roots, everything red and white roots basically all the way.